Hello everybody, I wanted to share something, a mistake I did with you. So, this is a multiplexer. What I threw it was doing, it was put the current on and off, on and off, on and off on several of them. But that's not how it works. The multiplexer is just a switch. So it just allows you to say, I want the current to go here. I want the current to go there. But it means that you can have only one pin activated here. So here you have ground volts, EN. EN means, do I enable all of them or not? So to activate them. Then you have 0, 1, 2, 3 that allow you with binary to choose which one of them you want to use. Okay. And then you have signal that allow you to say the current is on or off. Okay. And that's all. So the mistake I did is to think you can have several of them, but no, it's one of them. It's very cool for plenty of projects, but not for mine, because I wanted to use the relay to activate the pin. But the problem is that I don't have enough pin here to manage all the project. So I wanted to increase the number of pin, but that's not how it's working. That's not how multiplexer works. So yeah, bad luck for me. But now, if you want to use a multiplexer, and this multiplexer is good for your project, so it's one at a time, it's good for you, then you can watch at my code how I did it. So here I'm coding in MicroPython, so I import the time, the pin, the UART is was for the previous project. Here I'm creating a class that is called multipin_index that allows me to say here is the channel I want to target and here is the index I want to target. Why? Because my plan was to use a small multiplexer like this. I have 0, 1, 2, 3 and to be able to have plenty of them. It's not working anymore, but the channel is for choosing the multiplexer. Then I do a class, it's called multiplexer, and in that you give the channel to remind yourself which channel it was. 0, 1, 2, 3 is the ID here of the pin you want on your Raspberry Pi to be able to communicate here on the pin of the multiplexer on the S0123. Then you need to give how to activate and deactivate the current. So you create your class, so you say, okay, I will remember that, and then you create the direction of the current, saying it's going out on the pin. Here is the ID of them, and now we can use it. So you can access the channel, you can select the pin. So here, when I say select the pin, I say 0, 1, 2, 3, and I say here is the value in binary, 0, 1. Set the value allow to trigger and to turn on and off the currents. And so here it's some binary system. So if you never did some computing in your study, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8, 9, it's decimal. It means we use 10 symbol to compute. Then when we arrive at the end of the 10, we add a 1 in front and we restart. In binary, there is two symbols, 0 and 1. So 0, it means 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, it means 1, 0, 0, 0. And then we at the end of the list of symbols. So we put a 1 in front. So it means that 2 is 1, 0, 0, 0. Then 1, 1, 0, 0. Then 1, you see? So you're incrementing here the 1, like we increment with the 10, 12, 20, 30, 40, yes, etc. So basically, that means that we can activate and deactivate those pins to be able to select which channel of that we want. When you have that, it's cool. That was for the racing car here. So you do the group, you say, okay, I want to use that here is the channel, so the number of which of those it was. Then you say this one use this signal 0, 1, 2, 3, and here is how to activate the current. So that's the GPIO ID pin of those. And now that we did that, I use this place to be able to say, okay, if I want to turn left here on the here, the idea was to say, okay, if you want to turn left here, then this is the multiplexer 0 and the ID 0 of the multiplexer. But here it won't work because my idea is to be able to use several of them, but here it won't be possible. But here's how I was doing it. When you have all those ID, you can create a table to be able to do a for on it. And you can create your RC card saying, okay, this is this one, this one, this one, it is this one, and then you can have racing stuff working. But that's another subject. So here, to be able to test all that, I was doing a while. While it's true, you activate all the pin I give you and deactivate all the pin I give you. So give me the channel. If it's the 0, you go on the group 0. If it's 1, you go on the group 1. And then you set the pin with the index of the RC pin we decide of the car. And then we return true. So yeah. I'm so sad because now I need to find a new solution. I was really hoping that on that I had some good hope, but no, it won't be. Because my problem is that I need 16 pin for the button of the Xbox. Here. I need 16 pin for all those buttons, and then I need 2 pin, 2 pin, 2 pin, 2 pin, 2 pin, 2 pin, so it makes 10 pin. So I need 10 pin, and it's not 10 because you need 3 of them. So it's 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So 6 multiplied by 3, 18 pin. So I need 80 pin to be able to simulate all that. But 18 plus 10, it means that we have 28 pin and we don't have 28 pin here. Because I'm using 2 of them for the RXTX. And some are not available because they are VBus and run and stuff like that. So that's the sad part. But now that I think about it, 1, 2, 3, 2, so the 23, 24, and the other one, can we use them? Are they forbidden or can we use them? But yeah, that was the topic of the video. I wanted to do that on a Raspberry Pi, but that's not possible. I mean, not in my project. In yours, it can work, but on mine, no. Hope it's useful to you. If you like this video, feel free to make a donation on my Tipeee or Patreon, or to buy some stuff on Amazon with the Amazon link in the description. Have fun, may the code be with you, and have a great day.